Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's stereo speakers on Vivo Y35. And to do this, first let's locate all of the speakers on this device. And the first one is a phone call speaker, which is located right here on top of the screen. Next one is at the bottom right here, and that's basically all of the speakers. And to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of them with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of them, that's a stereo speaker. If the sound is coming only from one, that's a mono speaker. Let's try that. So clearly sound was coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have a stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.